Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add nearby users on Snapchat, and here's how it is done. To get started, open the Snapchat application on your phone. You'll be taken to the camera screen where you can take snaps and videos to share with your friends. From this screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then tap on the Snap Map option. On the Snap Map, your current location will be marked by your Bitmoji. Look for blue spots around your Bitmoji. These indicate hotspots where other Snapchat users are active. Tap on a blue area or location, example, a house or hotspot near you, to view stories from users who have posted snaps from that area. When you find a story you like, tap on the username in the bottom left corner to go to that user's profile. Tap the Add Friend button to send a friend request. You can also explore stories from different places by tapping on places and selected a preferred location to check out stories from there. By following these simple steps, you can easily add nearby users on Snapchat. And that is everything you need to know about how to add nearby users on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.